they sent the one off.
There's Tom. Dave.
Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah, they sent it off to Phantom.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
That is beautiful. I love it. Oh, I just want to get together with them. Specific RV repairs. I can't find
On Facebook or Instagram.
exit left. I'm like, wow.
I can't see anybody.
Got movie stars over there, Tom and Lori.
Yeah, you can't see them. They're stargazing. Oh, there's Dave.
Hey.
There's the fire.
Now go make me breakfast.
Christmas Eve.
I can post that. Team Terry RVing on the other side of the store. We used to go out. There's a place out there where we live in Florida. You go out to the Gulf and you watch the sun go down at night.
On wheels. This is their beautiful place. Look. Wave! Having Christmas dinner here.
Wave a knife.
Yeah, go ahead, wave a knife.
Yeah, I never even heard of that. I never even heard that kind of one.
And the grapes, you know, everybody says, well, aren't they the same grapes you eat? No, there's grapes for wine. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I got Terry here.
Hi, you ready?
Yeah, go.
Hi, Team Terry here. Dave.
Kimberly.
And this is Tom and Lori.
Yay!
And we're going to Mexico.
Yeah.
Give them Tom and Lori's.
Yep. So, come along for the ride.
Got you on the road. Yeah.
There's the sand dunes.
What's that called? Keyshawn?
Yeah.
They're waving for us to come on.
Oh.
Oh, I was like...
No, no hay problema. Ahí, no, aquí está de un lado. Vamos.
What, babe?
Alright, on.
Different sizes, different kind of leather, different designs.
Here we are at the liquor store.
There's Jack. You're all right.
There's Tennessee honey. Right here.
¿Sí ves? Oh, que vaya. Está cuando íbamos al cine, ahí salimos.
And then cut them down.
Which one do you like? Let me show you. Look at how nice it is.
We'll be coming back.
Okay.
I love it, buddy. Hey, I think this is where,
She went to her. I'm gonna get silver put in my hair. This is cool. I was gonna have some silver put in my hair. candy store, huh? Snow White. What if they're just building these buildings, or? Who takes credit cards? What's that? Oh, cut off.
Same thing as we did with the shades.
Yeah, that's why I'm like. Gotta hang over you.
We'll follow you.
We're following him. He said he wants a free dinner now.
Yes, sir. The best of town. Here.
Because I've got my upload set to off, so I won't use any data.
To chimichanga. And Dave got a burrito.
Okay, Jose.
And what'd you guys get?
Awesome.
Look at that. Tom and Lori got that and they're splitting that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You give that a thumbs up?
I give it a thumbs up. Yep.
All
We
right.
had a great day with Tom and Lori.
Yep. All done.